Hello, welcome to SimplyScuba.com. In this session we're going to look at the Apeks XTX DS4 Regulator. Let's take a closer look. As with the majority of the Apeks regulators, these are fantastic in cold water use. This is due to the fact that it has an environmental seal on the first stage, which just prevents any water from entering into the mechanism and causing any free flowing or other issues that are a result of cold water use. The regulator itself comes in the A clamp, as you can see here, or 300 bar DIN fitting as well. The first stage comes with two low pressure ports on this side, another two on this opposite side, and also one high pressure port on this side, so it gives you good flexibility for hose routing. So moving on to the second stage, the XTX has a number of great features. First being is that the design of it allows the hose to be swapped to the other side, which is great for if you've got, this is a redundant system, or you've got twin sets. It just allows for much better hose routing. Moving around to some of the controls on the regulator, it has a Venturi control on the side using this lever here. This just changes the flow of the air inside the regulator, so in its positive position it's going to give you maximum flow and best inhalation results and airflow delivery to the mouth. In its minus position, it's basically deflecting the air back to the diaphragm. So if it's a redundant or an octopus, it's great in this position because it will deflect any air that flows through the valve back to the diaphragm, which then forces the valve shut again. Now on the side here, you've also got a control knob which will change the inhalation effort required to open the valve itself. Now in its position wound all the way out, it's going to give you maximum flow and best comfort, but if you need to, you can actually wind it back in, and that basically increases the inhalation effort required to open the valve. So obviously it makes it a little bit harder. The great feature on the bottom of this regulator on deflector is that this deflector piece can actually be changed. They provide two deflector types. The one fitted here is great for moving the exhaled air away from the face, so it's good for photographers because the bubbles won't actually get into the shot or scare off any fish life. They also provide a much smaller profile deflector, and this is just fitted by pushing on the centre, and these basically pull apart, and these then slide back onto the body and just clip into place.